Hey everyone, today's lecture is about why Mocha is important for Cypress. In my previous lecture, I explained one example that I'm using one Cypress command. I'm going to save it and I want to run the Cypress command. And you can see I got one error. It has thrown one error. Like this usually happens when you accidentally write commands outside its block. If that is the case, just move these commands inside it block. So if I move this command inside it block and if I run this code, then you can see it's working. So what is it block inside Cypress? Actually it comes from Mocha. What is Mocha? Mocha is a testing framework where all things like it block and other stuffs also along with it block, describe block, definitions exist. What Mocha suggests, what is the definition of it block? What Mocha defines that if you want to execute one single test case, then you should write one it block, and inside that it block you should write some test steps to perform single test case. If you want to perform one test case, then you should use one it block. If you write your command outside it block, it thrown it will throw error. So Mocha defines that you should use it block if you want to perform any test case. This is Mocha, and this is the Mocha website. And if you will see some of the examples which are exist here, this is the single example. Here it's using it block. Another example, here it is using also it block. So every test case should be written inside it block. So now you can understand what is the importance of it block in Cypress also. Without it block you can't perform any test case. Mocha also have some more things like one block which is describe block. If you want to group some test cases together, then you can use describe block. Just don't think too much about this. I'll explain in future whenever I'll face any problem that I should use describe block. My always preference is don't use cram learning while you want to execute your learning to execution. Always whenever you want to execute something, if you stuck somewhere, then go for the learning. Just directly don't go for the learning. First use it, face the problem, find the solution, then use what is the solution of the problem. Several other things also, like before each, after each. These are called hooks in Mocha language. So we will learn why these hooks come into picture, why describe block come into picture. So these are the different part. I want to explain these stuff to for now. Whenever I'll stuck somewhere in future, and if without these things my code won't run further, then I'll explain what is the use of these stuffs, these blocks, describe block and hooks. So for now you can understand like what is the importance of Mocha in Cypress. because without it block you can't perform any Cypress commands. So you must use it block for Cypress commands. Thank you.